on September 8th, 2023. It's me, Imad. So today you can see that this is my aluminium plant and I just want to propagate it from these stem cuttings. And now these are our autumn days. So temperature is very good for certain plants like succulents and these plants. Okay, so now we will take for our first cutting, and if the cutting is thick it is good, okay, because more the thickness of the cutting, more it has the chance of growth. Okay, now this one is our second cutting. Now we have to remove its lower leaves. This is best to remove its lower leaves because when they used to be in contact with the media they can cause certain fungal rot. And one more thing is that because these leaves require certain energy stored in the stem, so we have to remove the leaves to reduce the stress on the stem. Now we will go and we will take our third cutting, okay, and we also need to remove its lower leaves. Okay, and now this one is also a mature cutting. Okay, again remove the all the lower leaves. Okay, like this. Now you can see that these are our stem cuttings. Okay, it is not a proper succulent plant, so it is best to just put it in the soil. Okay, just put it in the soil so that it is not going to lose its moisture. Okay, so like this. Okay, but we can like wait for one day. Okay, if we want we can. Okay, so, okay, on September 9, 2023. Now with after one day you can see that our cuttings are very much in stress. Okay, and I have taken my sandy media as well, and this is my pot which I have made from the soft drink bottles. You just need to make holes, and these are considered as the best pot. Why it is so? Because they are light, they are cheap, or purely free. And you just need to create certain holes underneath these pots and they are ready to use. And one more thing is that these soft drink bottles, which are also called as PET bottles, have a lot of resistance to heat and sun and light exposure, so its material is not going to degrade easily. Okay, and it do not use to break. Okay, just like simple clay pot. Okay, now we are just inserting our, okay, although it is not good, we have to use certain forceps for the insertion of the stem, but here I'm just inserting it with my bare hands. So now okay, and I just like this one and this. The cuttings are in very much stress. Maybe they may or may not survive, or we will see. Okay, hopefully after like they are in stress, so they can shed their leaves and then they will start to grow. Okay, so now we have to keep them in shade. Okay, so on 17th of December 2023. Now you can see that, as up to my prediction, all the above leaves and above parts of the stems are degraded, but still the lower stems are alive and they are growing leaves. Okay, you can see that the upper part of the stem has dried up, but the lower one or the lower node used to grow certain, and this result is very astonishing. The above part of the stem has dead, and the new plants, aluminium plants, are just coming from the very bottom, from the roots. Okay, from the nodes which are under our soil. Okay, so hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.